Excellent stay. Quiet and comfortable. Excellent beds and bedding. Very quiet, did not hear any noise from other rooms or hallway. Great sleep. Great service. Great customer service, nice accommodations, breakfast is good, will definitely return. Awesome place to stay. I always stay here when I fly into Portland because the airline that I fly in not always arrives late at night. Perfect place to crash for the night before heading down to Corvallis to see my son at OSU. These guys have a really good shuttle service that runs every 30 minutes on the hour. They also have a really good restaurant in the lobby. The food is amazing, not to mention the bomb breakfast unfettered they have from 6 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Last but not least, the staff at this property provide outstanding service. We'll definitely stay here again. Great breakfast, so much cleaner than the last place we were in, and the breakfast was amazing. Exceptional, great friendly staff. Country in PDX, always a good stay here when visiting the area. Nice rooms, great breakfast. Exceptional. Awesome place to stay, very clean, staff is super friendly and helpful, and the complimentary breakfast is killer. I will definitely be back for sure. Great airport shuttle. Great for getting to the airport early in the morning. Shuttle ran at 4 a.m., with multiple wake-up calls to make sure everyone was there on time. Shuttle driver was cheerful and respectful. All the basics covered. It's not fancy of course, but for PDX overnight with late check-in and willing to help with late checkout, everything was perfect, clean, and what you need. Exceptional, great shuttle service. Do not expect much from the free breakfast. Very good for the buck. We got a late layover and decided to spend the night close to the airport before going to our next destination. The shuttle from the airport was great and very convenient. Check-in was easy. The room was spacious and comfortable. Breakfast was great and A+. I didn't use the pool. The hotel is not very noisy, considering the proximity to the airport. We heard a couple of flights going by, but that's it. Overall, I would recommend this place. Reliable airport stay. We'll definitely stay here again before an early morning flight. We also took advantage of their long-term parking. The airport shuttle was on time.